How would you like to buy a new 1969 Camaro convertible? That's what this car is. It's literally new. I really don't believe there's a 1969 part on it. This was on Muscle Car TV. Over 21 episodes, they built this car, sponsored by Year One. It's a Dynacorn body, crate motor, Curry rear end. Again, everything is new on this car. So go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all about it. That's where you can check out all the pictures top to bottom. And that's where you find a price tag on every car along with the monthly finance option. There's also a buy it now button. If you get real excited about any of the cars, you just click that button. That locks it in for you until you have time to talk with a salesman. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon and you'll be notified when the next video is posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, so you can Google it. It's on YouTube. It's known as the 69 Crate Camaro. This was sponsored by Year One. It was to be given away, which it was. They took it to SEMA to promote the whole program after it was built. They took it on the Hot Rod Power Tour. It does have 11,000 miles on the car. It looks like new. Two-owner car since it's been built. The gentleman I got it from actually spent, I think, around 20 grand just making the car even better. So yeah, it's got a cool story, cool history, and again, everything's new. You're not going to have to worry about rust. It's all new metal. So the underneath is painted the same slick Porsche Guards red. It's all pristine metal painted red. Up front is a Chris Elston subframe and comes with tubular control arms, very shock, adjustable coilover gas shocks. Comes with a rack and pinion, which actually is one of the items the last owner just replaced. It's all new rack and pinion up front. So yeah, all the front end steering, suspension, subframe, all custom. It has frame connectors that ties the front to the back to help prevent twists, make the car handle better. In back, it's all new leaf springs, bushing, shocks, has a custom sway bar, and CalTrack tubular traction bars. The whole fuel system is new. Custom-made exhaust system. Sounds really good. You'll hear it towards the end. Got stainless steel mufflers. It's got some big drilled and slotted disc brakes at all four wheels. The whole brake system is new. The e-brake cables, the lines, hoses, you name it. You look up at the motor. It has an anodized extra capacity oil pan. It has a high torque starter. It's the 4L60E overdrive trans. And that was a new item also, not rebuilt. That's an electronic overdrive automatic. Drive shaft and U-joints are new. The rear end is new from Curry. It has posi gears in the back. So yeah, I think I covered it all, but everything under there is new. So the body's amazing. Yeah, it's an all-new body. They still had to work it and finesse it and fit it, and make it like a show-quality car. This is a 69 Trans Am spoiler that's on the back of it. I think it gives it a really cool look. So yeah, there's no rust. All nice, all clean, all straight, all nice right down to the bottom. No rust, no damage. They got it all lining up real nice. All nice, clean, smooth. They kept it clean without putting all the emblems in trim, and kept it real nice and clean. It has a metal cowl hood. This is Porsche Guards red with this painted silver metallic stripe. They gave it several coats of paint and clear and polished it, and it's beautiful. So this side of the body is going to be just as nice. So any of the trim was new. The marker lights, bumper, grills, all of it. The hardware that holds it together is new. Stainless around the windshield. All the glass would be new. The wiper arms, window seals, door handles, power convertible top, the boot. All that was new from the Year One. Most of it from the Year One catalog. So I love these rally wheels. They're billet rally wheels, so they're cut from billet aluminum. Does have the chrome center caps. and they are 18s in front. And there's a name on the billet brake calipers. I couldn't read it though. And in back they are, I always tell myself I should check this first. They're 18s in back as well. They look a little bit wider in the back. Silver tail panel, power antenna. So that's the outside of the car. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you. All right, let's see what we have in store for us here. Slick Porsche red under the lid and the jamb. I see a wire going up to a, sometimes you have to turn on the headlights to get the trunk light to work, but yeah, it's a trunk light. So inside here, it's all carpeted. Got a big amplifier for the stereo. I don't know what this is. There's a braided stainless line. I'll try and figure out what that is. Got power antennas over on that side. So yeah, just a nice clean trunk with a big amplifier. The doors open exceptionally easily. You just barely push with your finger and it's like click, they come open. So the jambs are all painted real slick. The weather strips, sill plates all new. They put a deluxe interior in here, so that's the molded door panels. You can see it's got some speakers at the bottom, tweeters at the top. So the dash is all new, custom instrument panel with autometer gauges, dash pad, the heater controls, has a modern stereo, the vents, glove box, all of this is new. Ashtray, lighter. So there isn't anything in this car that isn't new. Carpet, Camaro mats, new console with a Quicksilver B&M shifter. Part of the deluxe interior is the comfort weave upholstery, headrest, all of it's new. A few scratches on the back of the seat. Seatbelts are new. The rear armrest, all looks great. It's got a nice leather wrapped cushion grip steering wheel on a tilt column. Of course, all the wiring's new. It's got a sound deadener under the carpet, new visors, new mirror. So they put a ZZ4 Crate 350 in the car. The last owner took that motor, which is the motor we're looking at, but he had it completely reworked. It's now a 377 cubic inch, making 500 horsepower. It has a high-rise aluminum intake with a fuel injection, sniper fuel injection system. Looks like an MSD ignition system. It's got aluminum heads, headers. All clean metal because it's all new. The front of the motor is dressed up with all billet accessories, the brackets, the pulleys with a serpentine belt, polished compressor, polished alternator. Has a modern power steering. Upgraded aluminum radiator with an electric fan. Power brakes. So everything's been replaced. Sounds nice. It's running a little rich. We'll have the mechanics check that out. There's a sniper fuel injection system on there. There's a screen up on the dash. Gives you all the vitals. Oh, don't want to hit the Chevy Blazer. So we've got a really sharp looking car here. It's a new 69 Camaro practically. It's got performance, It's got the look, the stance. It's got a cool story. You can go to YouTube and watch your car being built. How often can you do that? You're lucky to get any information or a few pictures of the restoration. There's 21 episodes showing the build of this car. Now you can go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'd be happy to answer your questions, including how to finance it, how to get it to your door. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.